Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to see Facebook password. Before you get started, please subscribe YouTube channel. So first of all, if you don't remember your Facebook password and you don't want to reset it, I will show you two different ways how you can find it. And the first way is to look for your password in your iPhone settings. You can also do so on your Android device, but I got just an iPhone. So on an iPhone, go to settings, scroll down until you find passwords. It will ask you to use your Face ID to get access to your password. And then once you are in here, we need to search for Facebook. As you can see, I got one saved password here for the user. I can just get into it. And then if I would like to see my password, I can just stop right here and it will show me my password. And also from here, if I tap at copy password, it will be copied to the clipboard. However, if you cannot find your password here, it is probably sorted in the password manager of the Google account. So just close settings and open up web browser. After that, go to google.com and you have to be logged into your Google account. Obviously, once you have done that, tap right here at your profile picture, manage your Google account, and then just drag it at bit and top at security and scroll down all the way until you find password manager. After that, top right here where it says search, then enter Facebook, tap on it. It may ask you to enter your Google account password. Once you have done that, you will be taken to the page where you can check your saved password. From here, you can tap at a dead icon to copy the clipboard, and also you can tap at the eye icon to unhide it. So by this way you can see Facebook password. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.